Are you recording? So when are you gonna start?
It started.
Hello. You can't see my face. I went to camp today.
Tell us about camp.
I am. I said I am. I am, whatever. We're at church. Shaking her butt. Okay. I went to Camp Chestnut Ridge. Finally, I got right.
Oh my God. He's a little slut. Shake your butt, Izzy. Shake your butt.
Izzy, look. There was this girl that my friend gave her a high five,
Look at the camera.
and then she started hitting me. It was so funny. But then we made up with her, and she says, this is what she said at lunch today after me. She said, "What's your name?" And I said, "Jonathan." She said, "Okay," and then just walked away. But she said it like this: "What's your name?" I said, "Jonathan." "Okay." It was so fast. Like, "What's your name?" "Jonathan." "Okay." I got sunburn on my face, and I'm tired. Ah! Ow! How can that be a chair?
What did you do at camp?
I learned how to dive better than anybody in the world.